Welcome to Spindle and Spoon Homestead, your place for simple living and hand spinning. Be sure to check out my website, spindleandspoonhomestead.com, for all of my homesteading and fiber art adventures. Today I'm sharing a new recipe, cranberry pineapple fluff salad. This is that sort of fluff salad that, is typically made with a Jell-o packet and that kind of thing, but this one uses no Jell-o and just has real ingredients plus a few marshmallows. So you're going to start with a bag of fresh cranberries. That's a 12-ounce bag, or 3 cups of cranberries. And you're going to blend them in a food processor till they're finely chopped like that. And they can be frozen as well. They can be fresh or frozen. Next, you're going to chop up 1 medium apple. And you want to finely chop it in your food processor, but I just chop it a little bit to get it started by hand and then put it in the food processor. So it's about the same size as the cranberries. You're going to add 1 can of crushed pineapple that's unsweetened, and you're going to strain the pineapple first and get all that pineapple juice out. My daughter wanted to help me with this part. So we just use a mesh strainer and kind of press it a little bit and shake it around and get the juice out. Then you need 2/3 of a cup of sugar and 2 cups of mini marshmallows, and also a pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and stir all of that together, and you're going to refrigerate it until you're ready to serve. If you are ready, you can immediately whip 2 cups of heavy cream into whipped cream. You need to chop a 1/4 cup of pecans. You could also use walnuts or pistachios probably, but pecans are really good. And now when you're ready to serve, it's time to stir in the nuts and the whipped cream. You don't want to add these until right before you serve. Stir it gently, fold it together until it's thoroughly mixed. And that is it. That is your pineapple cranberry fluff salad. It's a relatively healthy version of your typical Jell-o Cool Whip salad that so many people love during the holidays. Every time I make this, my kids just gobble it up. They request it for every Thanksgiving and Christmas, so it's become a staple in our home for the holidays. I hope you enjoy this recipe and let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.